Today's recipe is a black mojito mocktail. Traditionally, we see the virgin mojito, which is white in color. This is a black mojito. For this, in serving glasses, put in a few wedges of lime, a handful of mint leaves in each glass, crush the mint leaves and lime wedges gently with a wooden spoon or a pestle as I have done. Add ice cubes as required. Fill the glass with either Coke, Thums Up or Pepsi. Any black cola will do. Give the mojito a good stir to make sure that the mint flavor is mixed well with the full drink. For added flavor and zing, add a little chaat masala to each drink. This is entirely optional. Your black mojito is ready to drink. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.